Now we have a Jayshree, and Jayshree is going to talk about something interesting in the Copilot Studio. So over to you, Jayshree.
Thank you so much, Ambesh. Welcome to Power Collab Sessions. So I'm excited today presenting a new feature which is released in Jan 25, that is upload images directly into Copilot Studio. So Copilot Studio now allows users to upload images directly into the Power Platform. Once uploaded, Copilot will analyze these images and provide contextually accurate responses based on the visual content. So this feature is set to enhance the interaction quality by making AI responses more intuitive and visually informed. In generative mode, we can upload images directly into the chat canvas for the AI to reason over, making interaction even more dynamic and insightful. So let's see how to enable these image uploads. We will navigate to Copilot Studio and let's start creating a new agent. We can use existing agent as well. Let's start with creating a new agent and let's go straight into create button. It would just take a few moments to load the screen and it will be back very soon. Yes, so now we can configure the name, description and instructions. So let's configure these. Let's give the agent name. So currently I'm going to give image processing agent. Description, we can provide description or it's optional, but here instructions plays major role in Copilot Studio generative AI. So I'm going to provide here instructions, assist users to process images and provide the description. There are few settings which we need to understand. I will go into the settings section. We need to go into the generative AI option and make sure that you are enabling generative feature here. So we need to enable this feature, which is so that we can use Gen AI to respond with the combinations of actions, topics, and knowledge. So once we enabled, we can see that image input is, we can enable image input as well here. And now we can save this. I would ask your attention here to some best practices. So basically, we need to upload images. Those are clear and high quality. Agents might struggle to interpret poorly pixel images. We should upload only supported images like JPG, PNG, WebP, and non-animated GIF files. If an image triggers content moderation filtering, then we can start the conversation. And we should not exceed the total of 15 MB uploaded images at the moment. So in future, it may get better. Let's test this feature. For testing, we just need to get this, click on the pin and just upload any of the image. And I can ask the question here, can you describe the content of the image? So agent should provide the relevant information based on the image as we have attached. Here you go. So we are getting the output, and this one is like images promotional graphic for Microsoft. It is providing all the icons which are showing up and all the text which was included on the image. It's reading out, and if you see, all the details have been provided here. So basically, this image analysis increases the use case for custom Copilot agents and helps to deliver more informed responses, empowering end users and marking their interaction richer. We can test one more image, and the my prompt would be same. So I have included the image which doesn't have multiple text here, but there is only one text showing up, and let's see how the image processing works for this image, for this one. So the image shows car accident where white car has been collided with guardrail. The front of the car is damaged, and So all the information is showing up. In fact, the plate is also getting plate number is also showing up over here. So this is amazing use case for insurance companies or many more business criteria. That's it from my side today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jayshree. It is one of the fantastic feature which every developers was waiting for. So really nice demo, really worked well, and I would ask the audience go for that one. It's a new feature. You might get some of the at random errors, but it will take some time to stabilize it. But it is one of the great revolutionary features added into the Copilot Studio umbrella. Thank you again, Jayshree.